Hey guys, this is another ClickFix tutorial video on how you can use our shortcodes. So today I am going to show you how to use the sync fields shortcode. What this does is that it synchronizes the same field if it's 2 times or more times in the same page, but in different parts of the page. So before you use any of our shortcodes, you need to make sure that you have everything set up so everything works smoothly. So I'm here in the ClickFix website, app.clickfix.io, and once you log in into your account, you're going to go to Start Here. So the first step is to go to the Start Here page, and the first thing to do is to add your domain. So if you click here, you will be able to add your domain. Remember that if you have a free ClickFix account, you can only add one domain. So once you have that set up, you can go back to the Start Here page. And the next step is to install the Chrome plugin. So if you click here, it will take you to the Chrome store where you can download the plugin and it will be added to your Chrome browser. So the next step is to copy the script that you have to add to the header code in all of your Ontraport pages where you want to use one of our shortcodes. So this goes above any of the shortcodes that you use. So you just come to your Ontraport page and you click on custom code, and it's gonna take you to the header code where you paste your script, and then you can start working on your shortcodes. And those are the 3 steps that you need to follow in order to use our shortcodes. Also in this page you can find the documentation page where you can find all of our shortcodes and the written instructions for all of them. So here are all the shortcodes, and you can scroll down to the shortcode that you want to check out. And also if you have any other questions or you need more help, you can click on the support button and you will get a ticket to solve any of your doubts. And with that being said, we can move on to the tutorial. So I copied a checkout form from one of our templates from the ClickFix library. And as you can see here, I have an email field, but I have it repeated in the next step. So I have the email field twice. So what this does is that when the user types in their email in the first step and they click on submit to go to the second step, the email field is going to be already filled in. So you can use this for multi-step forms, or just to make your user don't have to type a certain field 2 times or more. So here I have the publish page, and I'm going to show you how it works, how the code works. So if you go to the custom code on the Ontraport page builder, you can see that this is the entire code. So it's only sync fields, and then you type the field ID. If you want to know the field ID, you can use the ClickFix Chrome extension, which allows you to highlight the field IDs, but also block IDs, column IDs, and all that stuff. So you just go to highlight field names, and it's going to give you the field name. In this case, it's email. Sometimes the name changes. So let's go back to the code. So as I said, you just type sync fields and then you type the field name. So I'm just typing a test email to show you guys how this works. So I typed it here, and if I scroll down, the same email is typed in this field. I would also like to mention that you can use the sync field shortcode to create multi-step forms in which you hide the field that you're interested in. So for example, this is the multi-step demo page. If you want to see the whole video about it, I will link it in the description. But basically I created 2 blocks here, and on the second block I went to the form settings and created a hidden field, which is the email. And then this is the code in which I sync the field email to the second block, using the shortcode. So these are two ways in which you can use this shortcode. So it's a very simple shortcode. I hope that you use it on your Ontraport pages, and I'll see you in the next video.